How to fix Play Store problem, something went wrong. So in this video guys, we will talk about the solution of this problem on Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to open the settings of your phone and go directly to apps. Here on apps you have to search for Google Play Store, then open it like this and go to storage option and click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. Now what's next? You have to go to set as a default and you have to clear default. Here click on clear, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.